It's a 2017 Chevrolet Malibu. This Malibu shifts your perception of what a midsize car can be. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, leather steering wheel, auto-dimming rear view mirror, Wi-Fi hotspot, manual tilting steering column, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.